Hi everyone, today, we will guide everyone through the development version on Linux. Add an SPI node. Please follow our lead. Let's explore the world of SPI together. Youyeetoo X1 is a product launched by Youyeetoo Tech Company, an x86 architecture single-board computer. It is capable of running full-featured versions of both Windows and Linux. It features low cost and high performance. First, let's talk about what SPI is. SPI is a commonly utilized communication protocol, utilized for data interchange between electronic devices. The SPI interface comprises 4 primary signal lines, including the clock line click, master device output, slave device input line MOSI, the master in, slave out line MISO, and the chip select line CS. A key feature of SPI is different SPI devices may support various modes of operation. Moving forward, let's take a look at, in the Linux operating system, how to add an SPI node. Firstly, we need to download and install some basic compilation tools. Before downloading the tools, update the source list. Then download tools such as libcorsizedev, flexbison, lipsadev. Based on the version retrieved from the query, we opt to download the kernel source code version 6.5.0. Subsequently, we need to navigate into the source directory to update the configuration. Subsequently, proceed to the graphical user interface. Enable support for the SPI device driver. Click Device Drivers. Choose SPI Support. Find User Mode SPI Device Driver Support. Select with the space bar to change EM to an asterisk. Finally, save the changes to proceed. After updating the drivers, we modify the configuration file. In command line mode, use aforementioned commands. Navigate to that line. Scroll up and down. We located the configuration line at line 11,504. Remove the content within the quotation marks. Similarly, delete the content related to revocation. Finally, enter the aforementioned commands. Save and exit. Next, configure the kernel. Compile the kernel and install it. The compilation of the kernel takes a considerable amount of time. Let's wait a bit. After updating the boot parameters, restart the system. After completing the kernel compilation and installation, we also need to inject the SPASL code. This involves downloading specific tools. Modify the script permissions and execute the script. The ASL code has been injected, and the system has been restarted. Finally, we need to perform a verification. Whether the system has created an SPI node under dev. Enter the aforementioned commands. Then download tools such as libcorsizedev, flexbison, lipsadev. This indicates that the addition of the SPI node was successful. Alright, that concludes our discussion on the development version of Linux. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video.